How to recover deleted screen recording video on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Sometimes if you have mistakenly deleted screen recording videos, it might be stored on recently deleted section of your photos or gallery app. So simply you need to launch photos or gallery app and you can head towards album at bottom center. Then you can easily navigate to recently deleted section. And suppose if this is the deleted screen recording, you can easily see the restore icon at bottom left and tap restore and confirm the restoration and it will back to your gallery section. So this is the one way if your video has not been permanently deleted. The next way is simply you can check the Google Photos app if auto backup is enabled. If your phone is set to back up videos to Google Photos, you might be able to restore your deleted screen recording videos from there. For that, you need to open Google Photos. You can simply go ahead and tap on Collection and tap the Trash button at top right. And if your deleted videos are there, you can easily tap and hold on particular video and then tap on Restore at bottom right corner and recover it. If you do not find your deleted screen recording videos in Google Photos or even File Manager, you can try using a data recovery app. So you can easily go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store and search for apps like Dr. Phone, Data Recovery, Disk Digger and install them. Follow on screen prompts and you can easily recover your deleted screen recording videos. So you need to be cautious about those applications. Also, to avoid losing important screen recordings in the future, you can easily enable auto backup to Google Photos or use a third-party cloud service to automatically back up your videos. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.